Now our next topic under climate is types of climate. Under this topic we will study the different part of Asia as it is located at different heat zones, so they experience different variety of climate. Let us see the great variety of temperature and rainfall. Conditions that are found in Asia can be grouped under different climatic type. As natural vegetation and wildlife depends on the climatic condition, each type of climate also has its own distinct flora and fauna. So children, a relief feature affect the climate of a region, and climate of a region affects the flora, that is vegetation or the forest type or the plants which grow in that region, as well as the animals which are found in that region. Like the Arctic zone, there you will find some hibernating animals like polar bear, penguins, and the region here you will find the polar bear, and here you won't find any type of vegetation because this region, as it is comes under the Arctic Circle, so this is the frigid zone, and here no vegetations are found. But this area experience summer season for a very short period of time, then very small grasses and herbs are growing during this season. Then below it is the temperate region, and some areas are near to the sea, so they have different climate, and some areas they are away from the effect of the sea, so they would experience different climatic condition, and on that basis the vegetation and the animals, flora and fauna in other words, are found differently. So the chart which is given below, we will see here in this map. You will find equatorial region. Equatorial region, children, it is near the equator. So here the places which are very much near to the equator, they are experiencing the equatorial region. Then the areas which are this yellow in color, they are experiencing monsoon season because this great or the vast region is experiencing or getting or receiving the rain from the monsoon winds. Then next comes Mediterranean region. This region is near to is above Tropic of Cancer, and it comes under the temperate region, and it is near to the Mediterranean Sea. So that the name of the region is kept, or the climatic region is Mediterranean type. Here that citrus fruits are grown in large amount like oranges, grapes, etc. Then next comes the steppe. Steppe, it is a grassland, and it is found in the northern part of the temperate region. So here long stretches or vast stretches of land is covered by small grasses and very few trees found hither and thither. Then next is the taiga region. This taiga region, as it is very near to the Arctic Circle, so it is like frigid condition. It is the most northern part or the extreme northern part of the temperate region and very near to the Arctic Circle. So here the region is very, very cold. Desert. So this is the hot desert. So bigger part of Asia is under the hot desert and some part of it lies in India, that is the Thar desert. Although its small part is in India and major part lies in Pakistan. Next is the temperate climate. So here the area which is very near to the sea and comes under the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, this green part is experiencing temperate region. Here the temperature neither very cold nor very hot. So in this this chart, children, here it is given the region, name of the region which I have explained through this map with the help of this map, and the name of the areas which comes under it, climate, and what type of natural vegetation and what variety of trees are found, and wildlife. In these all charts it is given, so you will read it by yourself and you are asked to learn the glossary. It is very important. From glossary, questions will be asked in the examination. You are asked to do the question answers of these chapters, all the question answers, and send it to my email ID. Once again, here is my email ID. Please send your homework on this email ID. From tomorrow, we will begin the revision of all the chapters and the question answers of it. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.